So I was asked to do a video on drawing from the hip and drawing from waistband, tucked inside the waistband. So with that being said, this video has been checked for safety, and I'm gonna show y'all how I draw the Glock 32 out of the hip duty holster. Your pointer finger will lay on the polymer just below the slide. See that? Just below the slide on the polymer. So we ain't doing no quick draw. It's just basic hand ready, out, boom, back in. Do it again. Get on target. All right. You want your thumb here, pointer finger just below the slide. We're gonna do that again. You ready? Bring it up. Bring it up. How we draw from the waist. Same. Now that's inside the waistband. See that? There you go, inside the waistband holster, or you could put it on your back. Some say appendix carry, but you could put it on your back, side of you, or whatever's comfortable for you. Whichever way you could draw that out quick in the time of an emergency. Y'all see that? Just that simple. Hip, duty, waistband, duty, backup holster. Stay blessed, love y'all. Let me show y'all the tools I had. Smith & Wesson M&P, M20. Whew. M&P, baby, 40 cal. Beautiful piece. Glock 32, another beautiful piece. You can't go wrong with these puppies. Not at all. I love them both. Love y'all, stay blessed.